Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have our 2012 Toyota Camry, and on this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you'd replace your air filter. You just got, this is your battery up front. On the right will be the left side, the driver's side. So you get your battery and you got your air filter compartment right here. So the way we change this air filter, we just pop these two clips, then you can be able to pop it up like this. And then you got your air filter element. We remove it. And we've got a new one. And then you take your new one and we just put it in. Just line it up all the round and so it sits in, and the square side went to the back. Just remember the orientation when you took the old one out. And then there's two tabs on this side that you slide the case into, and then cinch it down and put these clips, tighten it back up. That's how you replace your air filter on your 2012 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.